To upload or host your PHP website, you'll need web hosting and a domain name. Click the link in the description to visit avshost.com and purchase a web hosting plan and domain name. From the drop-down menu, select Web Hosting. Web hosting is the storage space on a server where your website files are kept. Browse through our hosting plans, choose one that suits your project, and click Order Now. A domain is a unique address that identifies your website on the internet. Enter your preferred domain name, select an extension, for example, .com, .net, .org, and click Check to see if it's available. If your chosen name is unavailable, try a different one. .com is the most popular choice. Select your billing cycle and proceed. Enter your details to create a new account or log in if you're already registered. Accept our terms of service, then click Checkout. You'll be redirected to your AV's host account dashboard. Check your email to verify your account and find your cPanel login details. Navigate to Services and click Login to cPanel. In cPanel, scroll to Files and click File Manager. Open the public_HTML folder and upload your PHP website files from your PC. Right-click the uploaded .zip file and select Extract. Open the extracted folder, select all files, and move them to the root directory. Delete the .zip file to free up space. Enable display errors in multi-phpInI editor to debug issues. Remember to disable it when you are done debugging. Create a database and a database user. Then assign privileges. Update your database configuration in your website files. In phpMyAdmin, locate the database you created and import your database. Before this, export your database from your local machine. After debugging, disable display errors for security. This part is optional, hosting on a subdomain. If you want to host on a subdomain, create one in the domain section. Upload your website files to the subdomain folder. Again, this step is optional.